What's up this week, guys? It's Rob from Ginger Woodworks. This week, we're going to take a look at the 12-volt Dewalt installation tool. So stay tuned as we go through this tool, see if it's something that's going to fit your needs. Before we get started today, though, I'd really appreciate it if you take a second, hit that subscribe button to my channel, follow along, check out the other videos. So let's get started. Before we talk about the four heads that come in this kit, let's talk a little bit about the who's, the what's, the whys. So this is a tool that, quite frankly, if you're installing cabinets, if you're installing locks, you're working on doors, you're working in tight spaces overall, HVAC, this is a tool that you're going to want to invest in. Why? It's compact, it's small, it's not heavy, so you're going to be able to use this all day. Your hand's not going to hurt. As we all get older, I'm getting older, the arthritis creeps in the middle of winter. This is a tool that I'm going to reach for all winter, quite frankly. As long as I don't need that extra power for installing legs on a deck, let's talk about what comes with the kit. So what comes with the kit is we get all four heads. So this one, as you see, it pulls right off. So we've got the impact, we've got the drill driver, we've got the offset, and we have the right angle tool. They all come, this particular kit comes with this nice little divider box. It allows you to put your charger in here. I've got a set of bits, but it also houses your drill driver. This actually comes also in one of your patented Dewalt bags, so you can take it with you. I've taken it out of the bag because I'm going to store it in my toolbox, and it just slides in and out of the drawers pretty well. I can also take this right with me and put it in a tool bag to take with me on the job site. So it does also come with this small, what appears to be a 2 amp hour 12-volt battery. So with this charger here, I do want to point out as well that it is a 12-volt, 20-volt charger. So you can charge any of your 20-volt impact batteries as well. So now that we talked a little bit about what's in the kit when you buy it, let's talk a little bit about each of the four heads that you're going to need to get your jobs done. So the first one, probably the most used, is your impact. That's how simple it is. Clicks right on, clicks right off. We've got a drill. So there's a drill head. We've also got the offset. Installing hardware, we're installing door hardware, we're installing handles. Anything that's going to take you off to the side, here it is. And finally, we've got our right angle drill, okay? So as you can see, you can pretty much put it anywhere you'd like, up, down, left, center, offset, doesn't really matter. We're gonna reach all the spaces with the right angle drill. There's no need at this point in 2021, there's no need to carry around 15 different tools. All of it's right here. All of it's compact. You're going to be able to fit into all the tight spaces, the cabinets, under the cabinets, plumbing, HVAC, all of that, one tool. That's it. And it's pretty much going to give you every ounce of power that you're going to need. Obviously, it's not a full 20 volt, but you've got the 20 volt tools for that. And quite frankly, this is going to be your go-to. I can promise you that. Guys, just like all of the other 20 volt and flex volt tools, Dewalt came out. It's a very rugged, very tough tool, quite frankly. We've got the rubber overmold, great grip, pistol grip, just like all the rest of the tools. It's compact. If you're installing cabinets, if you're installing HVAC equipment, if you're doing electrical, this is going to be the tool for you. What it's not going to be, it's not going to build decks, right? It's not going to frame houses. It's not going to do that. But if you're in tight spaces and you need a tool that's going to get you through the day without, putting a lot of extra stress and weight on your back, on your hips, on your hands, this is kind of going to be the tool that you're going to want. I'm really impressed with the fact that Dewalt continues to put out more 12-volt tools. So stay tuned, because in 2022, I suspect you're going to be highly excited about all the various tools that are going to come out.